Learning is fun! The best ang may alam! Prep Kids!
Good or bad?
Summer Month Edition!
Okay po, magbibigay ako ng halimbawa at sasabihin mo sa akin kung good or bad.
Okay po, Lola!
Drinking lots of water. Good or bad?
Good!
Tama, Apo, para iwas uhaw at healthy. Next, lumabas ng walang paalam sa magulang. Good or bad?
Bad!
Tama ka dyan, magpaalam muna sa magulang bago lumabas ng bahay. Next, using phone or tablets for long hours. Good or bad?
Bad!
Correct! Hindi maganda sa mata ito, Apo. And last one, playing outside and making new friends. Good or bad?
Good!
Tama, kasi fun and healthy yan. Basta huwag makikipag-away. Ngayon mga Apo, kayo naman. Sleeping late every night, is it good or bad?